So we just finished Microsoft Office 2007 Basics in the Internet, Step-by-Step 1.5. The last step asked us to leave Word, Excel, and PowerPoint open for the next step-by-step. So we have a blank presentation in PowerPoint. We have our memo that we opened in Word, Microsoft Word. And we have our June schedule that we saved as a different file name in a different folder. As we go through these step-by-steps in the book, understand that you don't necessarily have to do what you're watching being demonstrated until we get to a step-by-step in the book. So if you look on page 47, the section Getting Help in Office, I'm going to explain the information in the book within the sections, but then we don't actually perform anything on the computer until we get to the step-by-step. So in getting help within any of the Office applications, they have what's called screen tips, and I'm going to show you this in PowerPoint. Basically, if you point to a button, or what I like to call hovering over it, a little screen tip will pop up telling you what that key is for, a description of its function, and even the keyboard shortcut, which in this case for this bold button is Control B. We're going to learn how to use the help window in step-by-step 1.6 on page 48. You're going to want Word open, and notice right now you should have your memo from the step-by-steps 1.1 to 1.5. So on page 48, step-by-step 1.6, on the ribbon click the Home tab if it's not displayed, which mine is. In the clipboard group, remember each tab on the ribbon is divided into different groups. On the Home tab we have the clipboard group, the font group, paragraph group, the styles group, and the editing group. We're looking within the clipboard group. It says point to the Show Hide button. And that's a typo, because it's not in the clipboard group. Do you see where it is? It's in the paragraph group. This is your Show Hide button. So that is a typo in step 2. It's not the clipboard group, it's the paragraph group. It says point to it, it doesn't say click it. So we're getting a screen tip that says Show Hide, what it does, the keyboard, which is Control asterisk, and what it does as a function. Then in step 4, it tells us on the ribbon, point to the Microsoft Office Word Help button and read its screen tip. And this is right here. Then it says in step 5 to click it. Now you're welcome to leave it the size it is, or you can maximize it using this button here. Actually, it tells you to click the maximize button, so that's what we're going to do. Then it says click Show Table of Contents, which is this button right here, and we get screen tips within here as well. Notice if I hover over these buttons, it tells us what they are. So this is my Show Table of Contents button. We're going to click that. And then if we have internet access, it's showing us some information from online. In the Table of Contents pane, which is over here, we're going to click the Getting Help book. Then we're going to look for Use Microsoft Office. or using Microsoft Office, which is right here. And then we're going to look for use the ribbon. And then read the contents of the help window, which is this right here. After you read the contents over here and follow it down, there's quite a bit there. Make sure you understand how to use the ribbon. Then step 9 says on the Word Help window toolbar, click the Hide Table of Contents button. What this will do is hide this pane over here. And then in the Word Help window, up here, type words to search for box. We're going to look for print. And you can press enter or there's a search button. You'll click that. And then search the list results, step 12, until you find print a help topic. Since I don't see it on the list, you can actually add words to your search to narrow your results. So I'm going to actually type in print a help topic and click search. So I'm still not seeing the results that I'd like. So then at that point you would choose the closest option maybe, which we have printing in Word, although it's including 2010, and remember we're in 2007. So I'm going to how to preview and print in Word 2007. And it's going to open up and give me an article on how to print, and I might read through this and see if it doesn't help me. When you turn the page on page 50, step 13, it says to read the information and then print the information. We never ever print in the classroom unless you're specifically told to. So anytime the book tells you to print, make sure that you understand that just means to electronically turn in your work. Now obviously today you're not going to have any to turn in for this step by step. Then step 14, it tells you on the Word Help window title bar, click the close button, which is this X right here, and the help window closes. That is the end of step-by-step 1.6. You can move on to step-by-step 1.7 on the same page, page 50. Good job.